WRECKREATION Monster Jam Series 33. On the back of the card, Recreation is in World Finals. The other trucks in this series is Captain's Curse, Gravedigger, Avenger, Bad Habit, Bakugan Dragonoid, Spuckle Smash, Zombie, and Grease Trap. Let me go ahead and unbox Recreation. Here it is, one of the top trucks in 2023 that I wanted to get is Recreation, and this was a World Finals truck that debuted last year, 2022, and it never ran until really recently here, not too long ago. Now, I think this is plastic for the camper part, but then we do get a metal base front end for it. There is the BKT lettering on the tires, gold wheels, silver looking roll cage, and the chassis looks like gold also. So back here we get the Monster Jam logo, and we get some other sponsors, I believe. I think that's where you put the gas in for the camper. And we get some bears looking out the window. I was trying to see if what was in this window, but I can't make it out. So I believe there's something looking out that window as well. Coming around to the front, and it says Recreation on the grill right there. I believe it does. And then Star. That would be Star Creations, but they just have Star on the hood right there. This is coming out of the Tomfoolery Motorsports camp. And, well, this is on this side too, so I'm not sure if that's where the gas goes in or not. So it's on both sides of the truck, as I mentioned. So there are the bears again on this side looking out the window. And there is something up there. Let's see if we can figure it out. I think that's a raccoon looking out up top. Let me see on this side again. Not sure on that side, but looks like a raccoon looking out the window on this side. Now back here, more sponsors. Name of the truck, it looks like. Back here, there is a door for the camper to go in and out of. I don't think anything is looking out the window of the door. And then up top, this is really cool. It says go outside and play. Very nicely done. And coming around, so there is nothing up here. I believe on the real truck there is something, but they just left it out on the die-cast toy where my thumb is at when I was pointing. I believe there's something there, but I like also how that they did this body, that it is like kind of rusted, a rusted look of the die-cast truck. So the base is not metal, so we only got like a half metal truck going on here. But nevertheless, one of the top trucks for sure in 2023 to be able to get is Recreation. That's just my opinion. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Recreation. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that like button, and thank you for tuning in.